Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's election day and I felt like I wanted to do something to just kind of lift my spirit some. So I decided to do this look, which I think is super cute. It's very peekaboo-ish and I love the way that it turned out. And I have to say that I used one of the Danessa Myricks Color Fix products and I have a bunch of them. I kind of tucked them away, forgot about them, like we do with everything we got, right? And I love this, so I'm really excited to have played with this because it just inspired me and really made me want to do more fun glittery looks. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go. All right guys, so I've primed my eyes using my MAC 24-hour base shadow primer, and on my face I have the Tarte Concealer foundation, which my goal is to use it up. I don't have that much time, so. All right, for today's look, we're gonna be using the Jackie Aina palette with Anastasia. This is actually one of my favorite palettes. And I'm going to start off by taking Ginger, which is this shade here. And I'm going to take this with a MAC 224 brush and just lightly dust it and blend it all over the lid. I'm just picking up more of the shadow and blending it on the lower lid. The reason why I'm using a fluffy brush to apply the full color on my lid is because I'm trying to get a sheer wash of color. This palette is very pigmented and it is definitely one of those palettes that if you use a very dense brush, you're going to get the full color payoff. But you can definitely sheer your shadows out with a fluffy brush. So that is why I'm using this. I really wanted something that was a little bit softer for my look because I didn't want a very intense finish on my lid. So again, I'm just blending the shade and then blending. This look is going to be super easy, guys. I'm trying to get as close to the lash line as possible. Alright guys, so I'm going to take the same color and I'm going to use this Smith Cosmetics brush just to stamp this same color on the lower lash line. I like to use this brush to smudge my shadow and, well, place and smudge my shadow because it's so fluffy that it does all the blending for me as I'm just pushing the color onto the lid. And this can be like on your top lash line, it could be anywhere. And I'm really making sure to bring up the color so that it's meeting the top lid. Time for the fun part. So I'm going to take this brush by Bodyography. It is a flat brush. I'm going to wet it. And we are going to take Zam, which is this color here. It is a beautiful rose gold. I'm torn between these two. I might end up mixing. But for now, we're going to take Zam. And I'm going to take this brush and lay it right into the center of my crease and then blend it down some. And actually, no, I don't need, I'm not going to mix. So I'm really concentrating the gold in the crease here and then bringing it down some. I'm going to take my blending brush and then lightly fan that out some. So it should look like it's coming down. Bring it down, just scatter it. That's what I should say, scatter it down. And then I'm not going to take this past the center of the lid. So this is what it should be looking like. I'm going to take just a little bit of Soleil, which is the top color here, and just using the very tip of my brush, I'm going to take this and just apply it right in the fold of my crease. just like this. I'm also going to take Soleil and then apply that right under the arch of my brow and then blend it back. Taking my clean 224 brush, I'm just going to blend that highlight shade, and that is it. While my primer dries on my lashes, I'm gonna take this Danessa Myricks Color Fix in Nebula. I ended up just taking the brown shadow and using that all over my lid again because it didn't give me the effect I wanted. So then I remembered I had these, and this is doing it. All I'm doing is rocking it back and forth and then bringing it down. God, this is stunning. Just like this. Yeah, that's what I wanted. I just took this product and then brought it down to like the center of my lid, and so you're getting almost like this cyclone effect because you're going heavier in the crease and then you're coming down more of like a cone at the bottom, so you have a little bit more precision. So now I'm going to go back in with ginger and just freshen up the inner and outer corner just to make sure again that we're getting this really like cone effect. But this is what I wanted. I was debating on whether to do lashes, but I don't need it and I'm just not gonna do it. So I'm gonna take Black Coffee Pencil by Pat McGrath, and I'm going to use this to line my waterline, something that I don't do often, but every now and then you just need to add a little bit of drama. I'm also going to take this and then just run it on the top lash line. And I'm going to try and stay as close to the lash line as possible. I'm going to show you guys a little trick. When I'm using a pencil to do the top lash line, I like to take a liner brush. And I'm just going to use that to blend that line out. Alright guys, so I'm going to take my, what is this? Dior Backstage 002 Glitz palette, and I'm going to mix these two shades here and just hit the high points of my face. I'm really liking the way that this looks. I'm going to take a little bit of this shade here. For my bronzer, I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in number 2, which has been my go-to. I can kind of see that it's leaving a little dent in the middle now, but I really love this one. For my blush, I'm going to be using this NARS palette, and I am going to take these two shades and just mix them together. Also bring it up just for the hell of it. For my lips, I'm going to be using this lip pencil by Kevyn Aucoin, and the shade is Undressed. I'm just going to fill in my lip with this, and then using the brush side, I'm going to blend the edges out just to make sure that we're nice and smooth. I'm going to take this Fenty lip balm in Pinch Me. I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Mist and Fix Setting Spray. This sucker has an intense sprayer. I'm gonna let that set, go fix my hair, and then I'll come back to show you the finished look. Alright guys, so here is your final look. I love the way that this turned out. This is just very like soft and really just peekaboo-ish because you don't see the glitter until you like look down or close your eyes. I think it's super cute, and this lip color is just life. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to like this video, Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hit that notification bell and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of this look. Just to let you guys know, today is election day. This video will definitely be up after, but let me show you guys my shirt. Pa'lante sin Trump. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm a little worried. I don't know what's going to happen, but all I can say is that hate has no home here. So just continue to stay focused on supporting the Black Lives Movement, on supporting the undocumented family, friends, people in our communities, and to really just continue to fight for what's right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon.